Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and I'm the Distressed Princess. If you are not familiar with this channel, please give us a try, go watch some of my DIY videos, and if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Today's video is for all the Piper fans out there. This is kind of a end of the year blooper reel. No, really. I love. Hey, Piper. And little ghost, the cuter side of Halloween. And what's cuter than little Piper and his little Halloween costumes? Grab a cup of something cozy, don your Christmas jammies, and get settled in for the haul. I guess you could probably see these gift bags were $2.50. I'm not used to naming prices because Dollar Tree, everything's $1. But most stuff here I didn't spend a lot on. So like this is a gift card box. Isn't that neat? He was $1. Oh, I just love doing that. Gift card. They of course have these, they're not MDF, they're more cardboard. They're not like Dollar Tree signs, but still cute to put in. I told you before, don't you chew on Santa. Don't chew on Santa. No, I'll have to put you up. No. Santa, you better stay with me. The first thing I needed to do was make a funnel, which I did just using a piece of paper and taping it into a funnel shape so that it might help. That I saw at Hobby Lobby, and they had jute string woven around the whole top, let's say fourth of the ball. So I proceeded to try to get that jute string away from Piper and hot glue it in circles around the top of the ball.
always remember to let your little furry helper give his stamp of approval, let him in on your craft, let him be part of your craft, and just accept that he's going to sit on your craft. This particular one came in a pack of 2. It was only $2, making each pillow only $1. And my little furry helper Piper likes to help me fluff the stuffing before I put it in my pillow. Canning jar. Have you ever seen, like, on mason jars, and people want to make their canning their jams and jellies look really cute and frilly? They put a piece of here, get an idea of how big I made my circles. Gold deer, and I knew immediately I wanted to paint him black, so I used my black acrylic craft paint just to give him a nice coat of black, and I wasn't even cones. Nice chunky fat roll of yarn around this fork. I pulled this off of the fork a little prematurely. I should have left it on because it would make this next part a lot easier. Because the next part you will, cut the tail off of your yarn, and then you'll cut a piece of yarn, they say about 6 inches, to tie in the middle of your fat, chunky little ball of yarn. And this would have been simpler if I would have left it on the fork. So here I am wrapping that little 6-inch piece of string around the center of the rolls of yarn, and I'm going to make a double knot. Tie it as tight as you possibly can. Bow using the yarn, I wrapped it several times around to give it a lot of loops, and I hot glued it to the basket over the pom-poms. I used these styrofoam vase filler balls that I got at Dollar Tree. Piper thought they were cereal, but I used them to decorate my pink tree. I think that the flannel tree with the snowflakes already on it. Yes, I think that should be the life for me. And then I could bake bread. Fun fact, I actually have 2 cats. And if you look behind my right shoulder, there is our little girl, Lucy. She's a sweet little girl. She just doesn't like being in front of the camera as much as Piper does. But we love her just the same. Thanks so much for watching. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you later.